give from school, so we did that work and go to school. So we do not have a time.
He is right. I have also don't have time because I wake up at 5:30 and my school is very far, so that's why I.
टेंस कितने प्रकार के होते हैं?
3.
कौन कौन से?
Present, past, future.
ओके मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ,
I go to school.
मैं स्कूल नहीं जाता हूँ।
I don't go to school.
क्या आप क्रिकेट खेलते हो?
Do you play cricket?
आप कैसे खाना खाते हो?
How do you sing? How do you eat our food?
हाउ डू यू ईट फूड? ओके, हाउ डू यू ईट फूड? आप क्यों क्रिकेट खेलते हो?
Why do you play cricket?
आप कहाँ स्कूल जाते हो?
Where do you go to school?
मैं पानी पी रहा हूँ।
I am drinking water.
हम क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं।
We are playing cricket.
मैं स्कूल जा चुका हूँ।
I have gone to school.
ओके, मैं 2 बजे से क्रिकेट खेल रहा हूँ।
I have been playing cricket since 2 o'clock.
वेरी गुड। एंड ओके, व्हाई डू यू लर्न इंग्लिश?
I learned English because nowadays English is everything, because now we will have a job in jobs also. Everybody speaks in English and who works on computer also they everything is in English. And nowadays in future I think so everything would be in English only. And nowadays also there are many schools of English medium in which everybody speaks in English only.
Okay. Now there is social media, and what do you know about social media?
Social media helps us to do any question like this. There is Google help us if we will ask any question from Google gives us accurate answer. And on social media nowadays entertainment is also happening. And this one.
Okay, Shivam, come here. Okay, Shivam, how are you?
I am fine.
Okay. मैं पानी पी सकता हूँ।
I can drink water.
हम स्कूल जा सकते हैं।
We can go to school.
Okay. मैं स्कूल जाऊँगा।
I will go to school.
I will go to school. Okay. And do you go to school?
I know today is holiday.
Today. Okay. Today is the second Saturday. He doesn't go to school daily, and please tell some about and give him suggestion for go to daily.
He should go to school because school is very helpful. If we will not study, we will not have any knowledge. And if we will become adult in future, we do not have a knowledge, so we can't have a job or any work to do. From that we can make our home means like going.
Okay. And
Yes, I am agree with him, but he goes to school at 8 in morning and come back into afternoon. But we go to school in afternoon and come back into evening. So he has time for playing, but we have not playing time because we go to school at and afternoon and come back evening. And in
you have morning time.
We do not have morning time because in morning time we go to tuition, and after come back we play half hour because we have some work give from school, so we did that work and go to school. So we do not have a time.
He is right. I have also don't have time because I wake up at 5:30 and my school is very far, so that's why I go to school at 6 o'clock and I go to school by scooty. And nowadays cold is there, so that's why I feel cold also. And by coming to school,
I think you don't play outside, and you play in school only, I think.
Yes, I play in school only because I don't have time. In afternoon I comes at like 4 o'clock or 4:30 because my school is very far. It takes time to come, and he is saying that I can play in evening. So I do the tuition homework in half an hour. Then I comes to tuition at 5 o'clock. Then my tuition dispersal is at 6 o'clock or 6:30, and then I go to my home. Then I do my homework, and my school give me many homework, and they gives us activity also. So it
Yes,
takes.
I do want to say.
And I go to government school. He don't know government school's life because government school is
good, but government school have a many fightings on school, outside in school, and don't start talking childrens. Why are you fighting
Okay.
with your
I
friends?
think you play in school.
I play in school in lunch.
Only
Only
lunch time.
Lunchtime
20
3:30.
minutes.
3:30 or
20 minutes only lunch time.
half.
Yes. What do you want to say?
I want to say that he does not play game outside.
I think you have Sunday. You can play.
We have Sunday, but outside game is also useful our body because he rest in his home. But when we play outside game, our body feels energetic and we do not feel cold. Nowadays winter is very cold. But if we play outside games, we play games.
Which game you want to play outside?
We play cricket, badminton, and other games in outside in ground in sunlight. Sunlight comes from our body. We feel energetic, and we do not rest in our home.
See, he is saying that I take rest at home. I am not taking rest at home. I am taking the knowledge that it is very much important. And he is saying we should play outdoor games. And I used to play when I have 20 or 10 minutes. I used to go at my roof and play football alone. And I used to play do the practice of cricket also, and I used to in morning when there is my holiday, I used to water the plants and I take sometimes with plants.
Okay, you go to school daily.
No,
Why?
because because I have no time of playing.
Okay.
I need to playing. My
Okay.
body need to playing.
Okay, you want to
I
play.
have no energy.
Okay.
So I don't
Like
want to do.
color-
And so he is saying I do not have energy. Energy comes from food,
Energy comes
not
from
from playing.
I know energy comes from food.